Alright, for these problems where we have two shapes that are similar, you want to immediately set up a proportion. For one of the ratios, we'll use any two corresponding sides. So of all these numbers, 9 is the one we'll choose because it corresponds to 3. This ratio is in fact like the scale factor. Now, that ratio uses centimeters, which is to the 1 power. They're asking us to find volume, which is cubic. So we're going to have to cube these ratios. And on the right side of the equation, these ratios will be for volumes. And we happen to already know the volume of the big one. So if you look at this ratio, big goes on top. So 216 will be the volume that goes on the top. And we're supposed to find the volume of the small one, so that would be our little v on the bottom. That's how you set up the proportion, and that's how we'll find the volume of solid B. Now we'll cross multiply. 216 times 3 cubed. And then to find the volume and be done, we'll divide both sides by 9 cubed. Which is 8, and this is volume, and these one-dimensional units are centimeters, so the three-dimensional units will be cubic centimeters.